Good day. Today we will tackle about the highlights of DAO 2015 number 2 and chapter 18 of DAO 2004 number 54. The DAO or Department Administrative Order 2015 number 2 institutionalized public awareness and education on mining and geosciences as a component of development of mining communities. This is in line with the government's goal of creating a more informed and engaged citizenry about the mining industry. And also DAO 2015 number 2 is a department administrative order issued by the Philippine Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DENR on February 18, 2015. It is a set of amendments to the Mine Safety and Health Standards or MSHS in the Philippines. Some of the key highlights of DAO 2015 number 2 include first, the adoption of the International Labor Organizations or ILO Code of Practice on Safety in Mines and Quarries as the basis of the MSHS or the Mine Safety and Health Standards in the Philippines. The second one is the introduction of new requirements for mine safety and health management system, including leadership and administrations, organizational rules, and hazard identification and risk assessment. The third one is the strengthening of requirements for training and competency of mine workers. And last, the introduction of new requirements for emergency preparedness and response. On Chapter 18 of DAO 2004, number 54 concerns mainly additional provisions regarding the final mine rehabilitation and decommissionation plan or FMR or DP and the fund of the purpose. These provisions aim to ensure that mining companies are adequately funding and implementing their FMR and DPs, which are initially for the rehabilitation of mining areas after the operation have caved. In Chapter 18 of DAO 2004 number 54 is a set of amendment to the MSHS that were issued on May 4, 2004. The key highlights of these amendments include first, the revocation of the accreditations of service contractors. This means that all service contractors may now provide services in mining operations without undergoing the accreditation process, subject to compliance with applicable laws, rules, and regulations. Second is the addition of two new items to the requirements of the Safety and Health Program: leadership and administrations, and organizational rules. The third is the deletion of the standard operating procedures for mining and milling operations from the requirements of the Safety and Health Program. So here are some specific amendments by the DAO 2015 number 2. So in section 2.02 was amended to include the following. First, public awareness and education on mining and geosciences as one of the components of the development of mining communities. The second is the creation of a mining and geoscience education and awareness fund to support the implementation of this component. So in section 2.03 was amended to require mining companies to submit a public awareness and education plan as part of their Environmental Impact Assessment or EIE. So here are some specific amendments made by Chapter 18 of DAO 2004 number 54. So we have the section 187 section A to F. Overall, the Department of Administrative Order or DAO 2015 number 2 and Chapter 18 of DAO 2004 number 54 represent significant improvements to the MSHS in the Philippines. These amendments are designed to enhance the safety and health of mine workers and to ensure that mining operations are conducted in responsible and sustainable manner.